Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying the TV is compatible. Check settings about to confirm Android TV or Fire OS and certification. Once done, connect a reliable Wi-Fi network and sign into your Google account under Settings account so services can sync. Make sure the system firmware is up to date and the remote is paired. These avoid installation hiccups. Then open the Apps or All Apps list to see if Play Store is already installed. If it is, update and open it to continue. If Play Store is missing, you must sideload carefully. First, enable developer options and allow installing unknown apps for your file manager or downloader. This unlocks the path to APKs. Download and install the components in the correct order: Google Services Framework, Google Play Services, then Google Play Store. Order matters because dependencies must register before the store runs. Use a USB drive, local file manager, or ADB sideload from a computer or phone. After each core install, once installed, open Play Store and sign in when asked. Then update Google Play Services and the Play Store app itself so permissions and APIs match your TV. Restore or install apps and set app permissions and auto-update preferences for smooth operation. If the store won't open or shows errors, clear cache and data for Play Store and Google Play Services, force stop them, then reboot. If that fails, reinstall the APKs in the correct order. Use factory reset only as a last resort because it erases settings and apps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.